Tiger's cage, goat's intelligence and donkey's slop. Tiger is howling in the cage. Tiger in a dramatic voice, clutching his stomach. Oh my, what a disaster I have become. Once I was the Don Tiger, who shook the whole forest, now I have become the cage's slob. Earlier when I used to walk through the forest, even ants would jump up trees in fear. And today, this is my condition, ants are coming and dancing on me. I can't do anything. Isn't there anyone who will take pity on this heroic condition of mine? If anyone lets me go, I promise, I will wash and clean him before eating. I mean, my mouth slipped. Elephant's entrance. Elephant walking in a daze. Tiger brother, why are you shouting so much? Are you going to the gym or not? You are terrible. Seeing your condition makes me laugh too. Listen, doing good is a very troublesome task now. If I leave you, tomorrow you will say, the elephant gave me a kebab of my kidney. No brother, I am on diet control now, I only eat bananas and coconut water. You go live on TikTok for your benefit, but I will not move a single foot. Fox's trick. Fox smiling, wagging his tail. Ha ha ha, Tiger, you are a zoo package in the cage now. Are you talking about benefits? Brother, these days, benefits mean kicking yourself in the forehead. I once went to show the way to a donkey. Now the donkey calls me Google Maps. And if you leave, in the morning, the news will be the fox is the savior, the tiger's breakfast. I won't take that joke, thank you. Bear's sweet memories. Bear serious, scratching his head. Brother Tiger, whenever I hear of a benefit, it gives me a thorn in my side. I once shared a pot of honey with you, remember? You said, I'll eat just one spoonful. But you turned the whole pot upside down with that one spoonful. If you leave me this time, maybe you'll chew my bones too. No, brother, I'll go look for honey in the tree. Monkey's funny comment. Monkey jumping up. Hey Tiger, you are content now. If I leave you, you'll make shots on YouTube. Monkey rescued Tiger, and Tiger ate Monkey. You'll eat me for breakfast, then make videos and earn views. No, brother, I can't get influencers and followers myself now. You go live and cry, I am trapped in a cage, send help. Goat's allusion. Goat in a sobbing voice, shaking his head. Oh Tiger, seeing you in this condition makes my chest burst with tears. Everyone left you, am I not a human? I mean, not an animal that won't show mercy? Okay, you promise, I'll leave you. Tiger widens eyes, licks tongue. Oh goat, you are truly a holy animal. I promise, I will not eat you right now. The goat opens the door, and the tiger's eyes sparkle as he comes out. Tiger, ah, what fresh goat meat, I can smell it like a leap farm. Today is going to be a delicious day. Goat jumps up. What? I left you, and you want to eat me? How is this fair? Animal Q&A. Tiger asks everyone. Listen everyone, if someone does you a favor, what should be the reward? All the animals in unison. Nowadays, if you do a favor, you get into trouble. If no one does you a favor, you become a fool. Tiger with a smile. Then I won't be blamed for eating the goat. I understand. Goat in a tearful voice. Ah, what kind of trial is this? Then ask the donkey. At least the donkey will judge. Donkey's entry. Donkey calling like a bell. Dang dang. Goose crying. Oh, goat. Hey, Tiger, are you opening a hotel again? Goat running. Donkey brother, you are smart. I left you, and now he wants to eat me. Judge. Donkey standing in a serious manner, shaking hands. You have to understand the incident properly. Tiger, tell me, where were you? Tiger blowing his throat. I was in the cage. Donkey. And where was the goat? Tiger. He was outside. Donkey nodding. Okay, we'll have to reenact the incident. You go back inside the cage, I'll see how it was. Tiger enters laughing. Ahaha, donkey is really a donkey. I'll go back inside and come back out. As the tiger enters, donkey slams the door shut. Donkey laughing, clearing his throat. This is the real reward for kindness, life in a cage. Ha ha ha, all the animals together, ha ha ha, donkey is the real smart one.